Now here's how you go fishing. Holy Moses. That dude is trolling and he's got his 2 poles out. So if he catches one, they'll be slowing that gem down. Can we get one like that? All right, I was told yes, pull the trigger. He's having as much luck as I am. Ain't got one yet, but we're still hopeful. No, we'd have to hit the lotto to go trolling in that. I can't believe he's fishing. That is too funny. Check him out. I'm gonna put him up on YouTube. That's awesome. Looks like he's headed to Bimini. I don't know, he's been running with us for a while. He's going a little faster than me, but that's okay. 10, 12 knots. I catch more fish at 10 knots than anything. Oh, there goes the flying fish. Okay, that's my story for now. There's the dashboard. You can tell it's a little splashy out here.